I just wanted to say happy 4th of July to everybody that is celebrating it today. We are not celebrating it as in seeing any fireworks, but we're going around trying to see if we can find any fireworks. But yeah, I just wanted to say to you guys happy 4th of July. And you know, no matter what's going on in the world, just try to think of it as, you know, you're alive, you're blessed, and really that's the freedom of this world. It's just being alive. That's the true freedom that everybody can take from today, is that you're alive, and that's what matters. So happy 4th of July, guys.
McDonald's.
Yes! You like McDonald's? Yes! There we go. But I'm in the car, so. Here we go. Alright, you guys, so actually we're not doing fireworks, but we actually have a neighbor across the street where we're able to see the fireworks perfectly, so it kind of worked out, and my daughter gets to see a little bit of the fireworks going off, so that's kind of exciting, and exciting for me. So yeah, guys, so it's starting off to be a good night. It's about 10 o'clock at night, but so far so good. We were able to see the view from sitting in our car, and we're just eating in our car and enjoying the view. So yes. You like that? Was that cool? Seeing the fireworks?
What fireworks?
They're over there.
Hi, fireworks.
Hi, fireworks.
Are you looking fireworks?
Yeah. You looking for the fireworks? Yeah, we gotta wait and see, okay? Alright. Was that cool fireworks? Yes. But they're all finished. They're all finished.
Fish that one.
Is that cool? Yes. That's fireworks.
Yeah, that bee.
Yeah, you hear that? You see it?